This has got to be one of the prettiest bags that I have ever unboxed on this channel. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we are checking out a limited edition bag from Blue Mercury. Now this is their 25th anniversary edit bag. They have been in business for 25 years this year and they are celebrating by putting together a collection of some of their best selling products from their website. So I of course had to pick one up. We're gonna check it all out today, you guys, and we're gonna see what's included in this bag. Now, I honestly did not realize the bag was going to be this gorgeous, you guys. I ordered this because I was just excited. It looked like a good value. And then when it came in, I'm like, wow, like this blue is mesmerizing. It's gorgeous. It's also very large. This is one of the largest beauty bags that I've ever gotten before for a kit like this. And I just felt like even the zipper, I mean, it is smooth, it doesn't tug, it doesn't pull. It's just made so well, you guys. It's also very soft. So my husband even touched it and he was like, wow, this feels like it's quality. It's better than usual. So I can't explain it, but it is a very soft fabric, but it's still sturdy. So it's a great shape. Lots of room. I'm already in love with it. Now, if you would like to purchase this bag, I will be posting a link down below for you guys. This retails for $149 to purchase. I did receive free shipping on this order as well. I ordered this as soon as it launched, and it took, I would say, about a week for it to get to me, and I'm just now unboxing it for you guys. I don't know how, but it says online that they're already sold out of this. And I just checked it 2 days ago. They were in stock and now it's showing sold out. So I'm going to leave the link down below for you. Blue Mercury has in the past, they've sold items, it says sold out, and then they'll do a random restock or all of a sudden they have more products. So in my experience, if you just keep checking, it usually comes back and it's not actually sold out all the way. So I've got the link down below. You guys can check it. If they do a restock, I will let you know over on my community page as well. So make sure you guys are checking there. I will post up updates or deals as I find them. But like I said, as of right now, it says sold out, but I just don't know if that's true or not. This is supposed to have $882 worth of products inside of it. So inside of our bag, it is all this royal blue again. Oh, it's nice too. You can just tell. And then they actually bundled up all of the products into one little bag. So everything has been shrink wrapped together, but you can tell there's a lot of products in here. And if you know your brands, you're already pointing them out going, oh, look at that. I see this brand and that brand. Like, that's exciting. So first item inside of the bag is from Augustina's Bader. This is the full size rich cream. This is a moisturizer. And honestly, doesn't the color look like this bag? I mean, look at this, you guys. They are spot on. It's almost like they made them to match, but I don't think they did, but it's so spot on. This product retails for like $115, you guys. So this one product alone is very expensive. It is a very hydrating moisturizer. I feel like it works best if you have dry skin. If you have oilier skin, I feel like it's too much hydration personally, but my husband has dry skin, loves this product. He feels like it's very hydrating and it lasts for a couple of days as well. So this is a great product in here. Next up, we have a product from Oribe. This is the Dry Texturizing Spray, one of the best selling hair care products out there. This is travel size at 1 ounce or 30 ml. This dry spray will help to add some lift in texture to your hair. So typically I will just lift up a little bit, spritz some, then do a little bit more, and this will help it to add a little bit of body and lift. That way it's not all the way flat to your head. So it does work really well because it's a dry formula. It's not super sticky either. Next item that we have is from 111 Skin. This is like $400 already. I mean, it's not that much, but 111 Skin is also very expensive. So this product is their Repair Serum, 15 ml. I think this is a full-sized item. I wouldn't be surprised if this is almost $200. Maybe 175, 180. I would not be shocked, you guys. So this is their repairing serum. It states that it is a proprietary complex which will repair the skin and prevent future damage, and it will optimize the appearance of your complexion. So it sounds fancy. Let me go ahead and pull this out. Ooh, look at that. That color. Okay. Next year, I want a bag in this color, and that way I can have a whole set. They look so beautiful. We also have a dry shampoo from R&Co. This is called the Death Valley Dry Shampoo. It is cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and it also offers UV protection for your hair. Oh, we have Hourglass. See, I didn't read, you guys. They do list off like what's going to be in this bag online, but I'm just one of those persons that I want to be surprised. I want to see it in person anyways. So I never read, but this one is a nice surprise. So it is the full-size Instant Extensions Mascara, and it is all from Hourglass. Now this brand is also expensive, has a very high retail value on it. It is going to be a cruelty-free brand. Now we have the shade Black, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what that wand looks like. So you'll see lots of fibers. It's supposed to give you length to your lashes. So lots of little fibers as well, which will coat those little eyelashes down below. I'm already going to be recommending this just in terms of value, because with that $149 that I spent, I know I've already made it back and then some. Like, I think 2 items, maybe even 1 item already paid for this bag. I also have a gel cream blush, and this brand, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. I think it's Chantecaille? Maybe I'm not pronouncing this right, but they have really nice packaging. It's always super heavy. So the shade that we have is Happy, and like I said, this is a blush. So I'll go ahead and pull this out, and this is what it will look like here. Now this packaging is not as nice as, like, I'm serious, check out their lip balms. They have some lipsticks. Those ones are really nice. But this is our shade that we have. It's a gel cream formula, and it will be a natural flush of color that you can just blend out with your fingertips. There's also a nighttime moisturizer inside of the bag. This is from Revive, and it is the Moisturizing Renewal Cream. But like I said, this is supposed to be a nighttime one. So I do like that they didn't give us, you know, just 2 moisturizers inside of this bag. Next product that's inside is from Virtue. This is the healing oil. Ooh. This says that it's a protein that is clinically proven to make your hair stronger and healthier. 100% of people said that their hair was instantly shinier after using it. 94% said instantly repaired. So this is our healing oil for your hair. It's fast absorbing, and it will help to strengthen, protect, and add shine to your strands. Next up is a body oil from OC. This is the Algae Body Oil travel size here. This brand I really like. They have a great cleanser, and I actually thought that's what this was at first, but it's not. This is a cruelty-free brand. They're all vegan, and they also use plant-based ingredients, so it is a clean skincare line as well. And there's still a lot in here, you guys. Like, I just keep going, and I think this is honestly really good. So the next item that we have in here is from Sisley Paris. This is their lipstick, I believe. It's shade number 13, which is Beverly Hills. I'm assuming this is a lipstick product that we have, but maybe it's like a oil or something. Now let me pull this out. Oh, we got a fancy velvet tube here. Look at that. It's got its own packaging. And then your lipstick is down below. Isn't it pretty? See, there's a part of me that's like, I just love unboxing things to look at the beautiful packaging. You know what I mean? Like, you just look and it's like, oh, this is so gorgeous. I think this is stunning. Here's our shade. Very pretty peach tone, but very pretty. I love it. I feel like this will create a gorgeous look every day. Like, you could wear it all the time. We even have You Beauty in here. Now this is also a very expensive brand, 10 ml of product. This is their super hydrator. So You Beauty is another really great brand. They are a little bit more expensive though, so they're definitely up there. It's a brand that I always love to get in boxes because I won't go buy it otherwise. So it's a great brand. This product is their super hydrator. So this one is going to give you, it's a moisturizer that will give you hydration. We have a travel size here at 10 ml of product. It is enough to use, which I do appreciate that. One thing that I did see online at Blue Mercury is there were a few reviews on this bag that were very critical, and I don't necessarily agree with them, but they were complaining about the fact that there were so many of these sizes in this bag. But they were very upfront at the beginning that it says you get a mixture of travel size and full size in the bag itself. So I don't feel like this is a problem, especially since you made back your money with like the first 2 items that I showed you guys. So all of these other ones are essentially free samples anyways in this kit, and they're still really good brands. For example, Jo Malone. This is a great fragrance company. The scent that we have here is English Pear and Sweet Pea. Love this brand, but again, very expensive. You can purchase this at Sephora if you're interested, but they're so expensive that I won't buy it normally. So to get it in this bag, I mean, this is a fraction of the price compared to what I would spend to buy these products individually. Oh, now this is good. Now I will tell you, this brand does have strong fragrances. Like, it's a very strong scent, but you do get that pear in there, the sweet pea. It's just a very strong perfume. Next item that we have in here is from Dr. Barbara Sturm. This is the hyaluronic serum at 10 ml of product. This serum will feature hyaluronic acid inside of it, so great hydration, but it targets fine lines and wrinkles, and it is supposed to give you some moisture and fight off anti-aging signs as well. So this is a product that's been around for a while. It is a best-selling product. I've used it, and I don't know, I just don't really see any results with it. So it has to be working for some people, because this product, I know it sells out everywhere. It is very popular as well. And I know the brand is very expensive. It's just, it doesn't work for my skin, I guess. But we do have a full-size product here again. This is from Trish McAvoy, and it is the Intense Gel Eyeliner. So the shade that we have here is black. I actually just got this in an advent calendar, you guys. I just unboxed it before this too. It seems like it's gonna be a great eyeliner. So it comes with a smudge brush on one end, and then on the other end, it has the really dark black eyeliner. Next item that we have in here is a botanical serum from Vintner's Daughter. This botanical serum will help to nourish, brighten, tone, and balance your skin. And it is cruelty-free, vegan, and clean beauty because it's all plant-based. So there's lemon, hazelnut, grapeseed, lavender, avocado, rose, carrot, primrose. Basically, the entire garden is inside of this product. So this is what it will look like here. It's just a glass bottle with your dropper, and then you can do a couple of drops a day with this serum. And last item inside of this bag is from M61. This is the Power Glow Peel. So there are 10 treatments inside of this box. The peel will help to give your skin a brighter complexion. So it will actually break down a very thin layer of your skin, removing any sort of like dead skin cell, bumps, textures. So it's a chemical process that eats away at a little layer of skin, making it smoother and brighter afterwards. So these are great if you're looking to have really fresh skin. Peels are awesome. So that is everything inside of the limited edition bag from Blue Mercury. Holy bananas, you guys. I love this bag. I loved it from start to finish. I love the bag itself. I like the products. Like, I think this was great. You know, like I said, I saw online that there were a lot of really critical reviews rating this as a 1-star bag, and people were upset with it. And I just don't see it, you guys. Like, I look at beauty all the time, and I feel like this is a great deal. You're getting a mixture of full-size and travel-sized items. And you guys have seen that anymore, a lot of brands are sending ridiculously small samples that are 1 ml, 2 ml, 3 ml of product. All of these are 10 ml and up. So I feel like this is a huge win. And for that price point, at $149 for it, I think you're definitely getting a steal of a deal here. Now, in comparison to like the Derm Store edit, they also did a 25th anniversary bag. Right now, that's on sale for about $100. You can't beat that. So I do think Derm Store is a little bit better because they're giving you a better price point, but I still feel like the value is there because these are a bit more expensive in terms of the brands compared to the Derm Store edit. This one with the Augustinus Bader, the 111 Skin, those are very expensive brands, and we did not see those in the other one. So, I mean, the thing is, I love both of them. I'm not saying you shouldn't get either one. They just are a little bit different, but I definitely think this is worth the money spent. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this limited edition kit. I thought it was awesome, but what are your thoughts on it? We can chit chat all about it. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!